Hello everyone, it's been a while since the last time we posted long video here in YouTube, and I'm so excited to show my garden to you. And here I'm planting mung beans, which is they call it green beans, they call it mung beans, but we call it mungo. So we normally cook this one ginisa or saute with the soup, and then you can also cook this one with the shell here with the shell. So there's a lot of way of cooking it, and you can actually let them sprout, soak it in the water and sprout, and you can do lumpia or spring roll. And we have a long line here. There, you can see a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetable. Okay, we have also here the purple hull. Okay, we're waiting to mature, and this is a long row as well. See, we have long row of purple hull and also the mung beans, and another row is snap beans. This is my snap beans. This is very young because the first time we plant it didn't grow. For some reason, maybe our seeds are bad, so we changed it. We bought a new seeds and plant again. So they are late, but they're growing nicer though. And I do the side dressing just now. They're growing nicer, so I'm happy with this one. And I have here my pollinator, my sunflower. This is teddy bear sunflower. Yes, this is teddy bear sunflower, and she's loaded. See, there's a lot of small buds in here, buds in here, buds in here, and tons of buds on the top. And I have here the snowfish. This snowfish I already harvested here, I think 3 times, and still bearing a lot of vegetables. See, in here, a lot of them, and they are healthy. But for some reason, like this one, I don't understand why they're dying, but I'm not gonna worry about that because I'm going to change it. I'm going to change some of this one with another kind of vegetable. So maybe I'm gonna plant string beans in here, the long string beans, and I'm gonna remove that. There's another here. There's more. And we have also the okra. This is the cow horn okra, and we already see the vegetable in here. See, and they are doing well. See, they're doing well. Another okra in here. Soon we're gonna do the harvest, and we have the cabbage in here. It's forming now. And then we also have the corn here. This is the GU50, I don't know, GU70, something like that. But yeah, I don't exactly remember. But they're growing nicer though. And we have the tomatoes here. I just removed all the leaves, and I pick one of the sucker and then plant it here. There, another one over there. And see, they're going nicer. There, another over there. Also here. There's a lot. Okay, and you see that? There's more over here. This is our Better Boy variety. This is Amelia variety, and this is the Big Boy variety, and this is the Parks Whopper variety. So far for with all of this variety, this is my favorite, the Parks Whopper, because they are healthy, huge, and when it comes to taste, I'm not yet sure, but for now on, I love this. This is my favorite one, and the Super Sweet 100 cherry tomato, because they are really nice and it's sweet. Yeah, you can actually, it's like a cherry. It's so sweet. So I'm waiting for them to fully matured because I'm going to make it seeds for next year. I'm gonna save that one. And we have here also the cucumber. I'm trying to keep up with the harvest of this because they always have something for me. I'm gonna remove this one because the shape is not good. It didn't pollinate properly, I guess. And I'm going to let the squirrels snack on it. There. So they will not come in our garden. And see, there's more in here. More over there. There's a big one over there. Maybe I will harvest it later. And we have the zucchini here. My husband cut all the leaves. Yeah, I cut all the leaves and they just started to grow. And another squash here. We have another squash here. There. And this is one of the matured one. I just leave it here. Maybe the squirrel will get it later. And one decent size. And this is, I'm so getting upset with this oak tree growing everywhere. Okay. So this is it. This is our garden inside of the property, inside of our yard, I mean. And we have another one outside of the yard, which is watermelon and the cantaloupe. And we have the strawberry, we have bok choy, we have a lot. Mustard greens, we have a lot of vegetables. And we're so excited to do this gardening journey. And thank you so much, guys. And I hope you like this video. You can leave your comment and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.